Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build a pie chart in Tableau. This is a fantastic way to visualize proportions and percentages in your data, making it easy to compare different categories at a glance. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Tableau homepage. Simply type in tableau.com in your address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll have a couple of options depending on how you prefer to work. If you already have a Tableau account, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Alternatively, if you're using Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public installed on your computer, you can open that application directly. Both routes will get you to where you need to be. Now that you're signed in or have your application open, it's time to create or open a workbook. Look for the Explore option and click on it. From there, you'll want to start a new workbook by clicking on New. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. Go ahead and select Workbook. This creates a fresh canvas for your data visualization project. Next up, you need to connect to your data source. On the Start page, you'll see a section labeled Connect. Here you can choose from various data source types such as Excel, text file, or even a database connection. For this tutorial, click on Files and then Upload from Computer. Browse through your files and select the dataset you wish to use in Tableau, then click Open. Once your file uploads successfully, you'll see a Publish Now button. Click on that, enter a name for your workbook that you'll remember, and then click Publish. This step might take a moment as Tableau processes and prepares your data. Now we're getting to the exciting part where we actually build the pie chart. For this tutorial, we'll start by dragging the category field to columns. This sets up one dimension of our visualization. Next, you'll add the quantity sold field, but instead of placing it on columns or rows, drag it directly to the Marks tab. This is where Tableau really shines in terms of flexibility with how you display your data. Here's where the magic happens. Right now, your data representation is likely showing as a basic bar chart or something similar. To transform this into a pie chart, look for the Marks drop-down menu and select Pie from the list. Once you do this, you'll notice an additional option becomes available called Angle. This is crucial because it determines how the pie slices are sized based on your data. To make your pie chart truly informative, now add the product name field under the Marks section as well. Click on the data representation type for product name and select color. This will color code each product differently, making your pie chart visually distinct and easy to read. Then for the quantity sold field, select Angle. This assigns the pie angle of each slice based on the quantity sold values in your data set, giving you a clear visual representation of which products sold the most. And there you have it. You've successfully created a pie chart in Tableau that clearly shows the proportion of quantities sold across different products and categories. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.